Danyang UPC Auto Parts Company Limited is mainly engaged in automobile wiper-related industries, established in 2001. Danyang UPC Auto Parts Company Limited is located at Danyang City, Jiangsu Province, covers an area of 55,000 square meters. The total number of employees is 700. The annual production capacity of wipers is more than 50 million pieces. UPC is designed and developed by itself and has passed many international quality tests and patent certifications. A wide range of intelligent production systems are used. Strives to achieve the best product status. The products can be covered all over the world. Owned by Taiwan Scan-Top Enterprise Company Limited. The company follows the business principle of quality first, customer orientation, with the development of 20 years in the wiper industry, and with the artisan spirit of working day and night. We produce the products of world level, constantly proving that our products can adapt to different climate conditions, ensuring a clear field of vision of the drivers and meeting comfortable experience of users. Production process of wiper. Warehouse system, incoming material. Consolidate and centralize all raw materials for unified management after compilation of code, using first in, first out management. Incoming inspection and batch inspection are conducted to the raw materials to ensure that the materials are under the best status. Supplier management system is established to ensure the stable quality and delivery time punctuality of the raw materials. Rubber department. Rubber mixing. Produced with imported natural rubber. After using the company's own formula, it is delicately mixed in 5 steps in order to improve the durability of the rubber strip and increase the service life, etc. Rubber molding. The mixed rubber sheets will be processed by 28 compression molding equipment for rubber appearance to ensure the stable shape of the rubber strips. The first lot inspection will be conducted to the products for the equipment and rubber mold. Every 2 hours, the inspection personnel will inspect the quality systematically. Rubber processing and spraying. To ensure that the wiper can be used without noises and the durability is added. The coating technology developed by the company is added to the surface of the rubber strip to ensure the wiper rubber strip more durable. Metal department. Metal stamping. The structural support of the wiper is produced by 20 automatic stamping equipment and continuous stamping dies. The whole production process achieves automation production, improving the productivity and stable quality. All metal processing links are set with quality inspection post units to ensure that the production of all parts is relatively stable. Metal bending. For automatic bending machine, the raw material of our flat wipers beam mainly supplied by Guangde, Taiwan, a subsidiary of Japan's Sumitomo Group. At present, our company has 3 automatic beam bending machines with monthly production capacity of 650,000 PCS. The automatic bending machine is an all-in-one automatic process of beam leveling, punching and bending, which has strong curvature stability and high efficiency. It uses 1-to-1 standard diagram to control the process of the produced beam. The framework of the flat wiper is completed by CNC machining equipment in order to meet the demands of different markets. We collect many data and conduct real vehicle tests at the beginning of product design. Metal painting. Electrostatic powder absorption technology is used for the surface of the metal surface. Production is conducted by an automatic assembly line of 450 meters long. The thickness of metal surface processing is more even and with good corrosion resistance. Plastic department. More than 90% of the plastic parts used in wipers are produced and processed by our company. To ensure the material utilization and flexible production scheduling of plastic and rubber components. production is conducted in accordance with MSDS specifications. Ensure that plastic products are non-toxic and harmless. The finished plastic products will be tested for 400 hours of UV resistance to ensure stable production quality. Manipulator arms are combined to form injection molding machines, achieving 24-hour automatic assembly line production and improving product productivity and lowering labor cost. Assembly and Packing Department. In 2017, UPC began to design and develop an automatic assembly line for traditional wipers, where the quantity of the employee was reduced to 3 from former 13 in the production line. All the parts are conveyed by free flow intercept from carrier for the production of the processes of positioning, cutting and riveting, etc. At the same time, CCD automatic detection and recognition system is added on the production line to effectively recognize and remove the defective products, improving the quality and production efficiency of the products. By our long-term experience and wide application of automation in the industry, we have researched and developed an automatic production line of color box packaging, realized automatic folding color box, instruction placement, wiper buckle removal, or packaging, etc. Assembly and packaging of flat wiper and hybrid wiper. Assembly of flat wiper and hybrid wiper is divided into the following 4 steps: structure assembly, rubber strip assembly, spoilers assembly, and adapters assembly. Package of flat wiper and hybrid wiper. At present, the package of the flat wipers and hybrid wipers in the market is divided into blister packing and PVC PET pillow packing. PVC PET pillow packing has artistic appearance and the advantages of anti-high and low temperature and UV resistance. In addition, PET is environmental, being popular with the customers. To keep the product stable. Before packaging and production, the first piece will be inspected. At the same time, full-time inspectors will be arranged for sampling inspection every 2 hours. Finished product warehouse. QAD intelligent management system and barcode management are used to effectively manage the product for first in, first out, and analyze the storage data of the products. There are 1,800 pallets as the storage space to timely provide the products required by the customers. In each month, we can load and transport 200 containers. Laboratory. We have established an independent quality laboratory to test the wipers for 12 items, and we will comprehensively test all the products to ensure stable product quality, wherein the test machines for durability and aging are the key points of the whole test link. At present, we have passed IATF 16949 2016 certification for automobile part. We have always been in line with the concept of meeting customer needs as the first goal. We constantly research and develop new products. At the same time, it has also won the title of Provincial High-Tech Enterprise and Technology-Based Small and Medium-Sized Enterprise.